Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Lightroom is running and you know whether you use Classic or CC. This changes the import layout. Open the app, then Finder to locate your photos. Group similar shoots into one folder so imports stay organized. Once done, return to Lightroom and pick the Library or Files view. This places you exactly where Import tools live. You're ready to bring images in, which simplifies cataloging and faster editing later. So keep files tidy now. Click Import and choose Add to keep files in place, Copy to duplicate, or Move to relocate into the Lightroom folder. Pick what suits backup plans. Then select the source folder in the left panel, skim thumbnails, and uncheck Obvious Rejects. This saves time later. Make sure to apply Develop presets, metadata templates, and keywords in the right-hand panel so every file arrives tagged and ready. Once selections and presets are set, press Import and watch the progress bar to confirm success. After import, go to Catalog or All Photographs and confirm thumbnails and one previews loaded correctly. This guarantees images are usable for edits. Make quick adjustments, then sync those settings across similar photos to speed workflow. If Lightroom shows missing files or folders, don't panic. Use the Locate or Find Missing Folder option, reconnect the external drive, or check Mac OS permissions so Lightroom can access the folder. Once relinked, previews regenerate, and your library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.